name's Mark Caldwell from Feetology Podiatry Centre, and today I'm going to talk about how to treat trigger points. So on the floor here in front of me, we've got a few different tools that we can use for treating trigger points. What a trigger point is, it's a section of the muscle that has become a little bit irritated and is quite sore when we press into that area. So your podiatrist will be able to find some of those and point them out on you during your appointment, and let you know the areas that you need to be treating. So the key with treating a trigger point is finding that sore spot. I'm going to use the front of my leg because I have one just in the front of my shin there. Okay, so we can use a selection of different tools to treat this area. The one I've got in my hand here is a little physio tool which has a nice little knobby end on it, so we can get that in there and press on that sore area. We've also got for larger muscles like your calf, you can be using a tennis ball. You can even also use a golf ball to get into some of those areas as well. So what we do, we want to find that sore spot and we want to put in just enough pressure on it so it's about a 3 or a 4 out of 10. We don't want it to be excruciating pain when you're working on this area. And you actually just hold that pressure on that particular area. Now, 9 times out of 10, you'll find that that pain starts to settle down or change as you're holding that pressure on there, okay? And once it feels like it's not improving anymore, you can stop and move on. If it's still feeling quite sore and hasn't made any change within a minute, stop working on that area, have a bit of a feel around, if there's any other ones that you can work on in that particular spot, and work on releasing those, okay? What you'll tend to find with those ones that are a little bit stuck and stubborn is that it may take several treatments, over a few days to start to ease those off. So don't go flogging a dead horse, trying to sort it out. Just move on and treat some of those other spots. Now, some of the common spots that we would have you treating, certainly that one in the front of my leg there is your tibialis anterior. We've also got the perineal muscles down the side of the leg there, and certainly doing a bit of work through the calf muscles. And with the calf muscles, you've got to remember that there's 2 sides to the muscle, so there can be points on either spot. That's how we treat trigger points.